30% of organizations do not measure their renewal rates. This is a missed opportunity because you're only focusing on finding new members and not focusing on the members who are leaving the organization. This is like trying to fill a bucket with water when there's a hole in it. This oversight can cost organizations to miss out on growth opportunities and increases in revenue. Hi, I'm Mitch, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're gonna go over the top 5 membership stats that every organization owner needs to track in 2024. In today's data-driven world, key performance indicators, or KPIs, can help organizations make informed decisions and track progress around their memberships. Something that I emphasize with my team is that KPIs are essential to running a business. If you're not measuring your key performance indicators, then you're not knowing whether your efforts are paying off to actually improve them. So, as Peter Drucker says, what gets measured gets managed. You have to actually track these metrics over time to make sure that you're impacting them. That's why it'll be really helpful in this video when we go over the top 5 that you should focus on as an organization owner. Now that we understand why KPIs are important, I want to give you the top 5 stats that every organization should know in 2024. Alongside these stats, we'll dive into why each of these are important to your business and the correlation between the focus on these stats and your organization's success. Number 1 is the purchase conversion rate. Now, in general, a conversion rate is the total number of conversions divided by the total number of interactions. So in a purchase conversion rate, this is calculated by the total number of purchases divided by the total number of visits to the page. Let's look at an actual example together. Imagine your organization's site is receiving 2,000 unique visitors per month. In that same month, they receive 50 sales online. This conversion rate would be those 50 sales divided by the total 2,000 unique visitors. This would give you a conversion rate of 2.5%. There isn't a set target for conversion rates that you should try to achieve, but there are guidances based on industry standards. For instance, a number of studies have given guidance that the average conversion rate in the nonprofit industry should be somewhere around 17%. This implies that when a nonprofit website receives 100 unique visitors, you should convert 17 of those to donations. One of the advantages of choosing a scaled membership platform like Join It is that you're leveraging our experience across thousands of organizations that sell millions of dollars in memberships. We make sure to optimize that purchase page so you're getting the absolute best conversion rate. All of this happens automatically, and it's one of the advantages to going with a service rather than having to do all of this yourself. The second KPI is retention rate. This KPI looks at the number of members involved within the organization at the start of the period and looks how many continue to stay active at the end of the period. Studies have shown that increasing retention rates by just 5% can increase your annual profits by anywhere between 25 to 95%. Monitoring the retention rate of your members is an important way to understand what your members may need and to plan for long-term growth of your memberships. Let's look at an example together. If you're aware that your retention rates need to increase in order for your memberships to grow, then enhancing your onboarding process would be a wonderful first step to making that impact. Your onboarding process can be improved to offer a welcome packet, connect members with other more senior members as sort of a mentor-mentee relationship, or inviting them to members-only events, new member events, or anything that helps them get into the membership routine. This will ensure that your members feel valued to the organization and they're immediately introduced to the benefits. This way, they'll be more engaged and more likely to stick around, increasing your retention rate. The third KPI is renewal rate, which focuses on how many of your members renew or extend their membership within your organization. This is a great KPI to see if your organization's marketing efforts, events, or online presence have worked to increase membership payments in 2024. According to studies, a good business has a renewal rate of up to 80% or higher. So if your renewal rate is lower than 80%, you might want to look into making some changes. This is a good indicator to look into possible changes within your organizations and to start focusing on your customer loyalty. A way to improve your renewal rate might be by offering discounts or by highlighting membership benefits to members whose memberships are about to expire. This will essentially create a sense of urgency and reward the loyalty of members with a chance to use the extra benefits. Number 4 is the member's lifetime value, which measures the estimated total of value contributed by each individual member. By understanding member lifetime value, you'll be able to make more informed decisions with your organization's resources, and you'll be able to connect the monetary value between customer satisfaction and lifetime value of your members. For instance, if your member lifetime value is pegged at $500 per member, then you know that you could spend up to $200 for that member, and it could still generate significant revenue for your organization over time. A study by Motista found that members members that feel an emotional connection to the brand have a significantly higher 206% member lifetime value. So make sure to invest in your members because you'll be investing in your organization. As an organization owner, you can develop member engagement strategies to improve member lifetime value. This data is tailored to communicate your values as an organization and offer member preferences based on each individual. This can include personalized emails, exclusive content, and targeted promotion to increase member satisfaction and member lifetime value. The last KPI is churn rate, which focuses on the number of members lost at the end of each period and the percentage drop in active members. The benefit of using this KPI is you can solely focus on how your organization can retain the members from actually leaving at the end of the period. You can narrow in on specific problems like lack of customer service, the pricing, or the offering of membership products. Forbes found that organizations with a churn rate that's over 5% typically end up struggling with growth and profitability. By focusing on this specific API, you can narrow in on the reasons that members may be leaving and work towards listening to address their needs. One tip that we commonly suggest is conduct exit interviews with members who actively chose to leave the organization. Understanding their individual reasons for leaving the organization will provide you with an insight into how to improve the organization and then retain future members. Let me tell you quickly how Join It can help. We've assisted over 1,800 organizations sell and track more than $75 million in membership payments. Our system will help you track these KPIs through helpful charts and metrics. Our system also assists with a member database, membership CRM, and setting up your member portal. I'll personally be responding to any comments left on this video. If you have any questions or if you just enjoyed it, I'd love to hear from you. Also, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.